Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can disconnect your card or any other payment method from Temu. So let's get right into it. Now, I'll be showing you guys how to do this on the web version. Pretty sure that the mobile version has a very similar, if not almost identical process. However, I won't guarantee anything, so you can just do it from here. All I know is on the mobile version, you have to go into the U page, which is at the bottom of your screen, pretty much a silhouette of a person which says you. Just click on that, and then you'll be able to enter your account settings, which are in the top right in sort of a hexagonal gear icon. If not, it'll be in your U tab. If it's not in the U tab, go to the settings and you'll find it there. Now, on the web version, you need to go into orders and account, and as you'll see, you won't see the payment method here. What you need to do is click on your orders or just click on orders and account and just get to this menu right here. And to the left, as you'll see, you have your payment methods. Now, I don't have any credit or debit cards. However, what you need to do is locate your payment method and select it. And once you select it, you'll have the option to remove that payment method from Temu, which will then, I'm pretty sure, just remove all of your data from the Temu database, since that is protected data under whichever regulations are, well, used within your region. And yeah, it's pretty much as easy as that. You just need to find your card, click remove next to it, and it should be removed and you should be good to go. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.